The inverter right here, this is the antenna on top. This sends the signal to the inverter. The electricity comes from the solar system. It comes in here. It comes in what's called DC power, which is direct current. This right here is a solar edge. This takes it from direct current to AC current, which is alternating current. From there, it goes through, this is the cutoff switch. This is on right now. If an emergency happens, the electric company has to come on and hit this switch. This is the meter. What the meter does, the meter actually shows electricity going in the house into his house. Most meters you just only see what you owe the utility company. Now, what this is called a bi-directional meter, this shows energy going into his house, and then when he's not home, no one's here, energy's going out to the utility company. That's it right there. And we walk around here, you just might as well keep it on me then. Put your tank out, you put in what's called a hybrid tank. The hybrid tank uses less energy in the house. And then we got the solar system on this roof here. Holy dart, the electric company just kicks in and takes it from here. And if you count the panels, you see how many panels we got? The panels are black on black, so they blend in with the roof. And you see, if you look under it, see these little slats right here? These slats go every 16 inches. So there's no holes going to the roof. The holes go into the beams, and then they got rails to go across, and the panels lay on that right there. This will make electricity indefinitely. The panels are warranted for 30 to 40 years, and instead of giving all that money to the electric company, now he's making his house worth more. There's solar all throughout the whole neighborhood here too, so this is it. Welcome to the solar family.